I mean, what's a magical library without books? Hello my celestial friends! I'm Echo, the Saving Sorceress, and today I wanted to share with you all of my favorite witchy gifts. So, my birthday is 2 days before Halloween this week, so I am just really enthusiastic about that. And because I was born just 2 days before Halloween, I've sort of always associated my birthday and Halloween together as like one big holiday. Of course everyone is dressing up in costume because it's my birthday. Maybe a little self-centered, but I mean, it makes it feel extra special when everyone around you is also celebrating your birthday. And I always wanted to have a witchy magical library, but I didn't always have one. It was just a dream of mine. It's what I hoped to have in my life, and I'm really, really glad that I finally was able to get. But before I had my witchy magical library, there were a whole lot of people in my life who still knew I wanted witchy things. So I've gotten some absolutely magical, spectacular gifts throughout my life, and I just wanted to share a few of my favorites with you. I love the people who gave me these gifts. They make the world around me feel more magical, and I'm just so grateful. So grateful to have these people in my life and to have these gifts in my magical library. So, let's see. Maybe I'll start at the beginning. This beautiful picture was cross-stitched by my friend Jennifer back in middle school, I think. It's got a lovely little wizard, and he's holding a crystal ball, and he's reading from a spell book. And I have just always loved him. When I was younger, I sort of associated him with Merlin, but now I love him as just a representation of magic. I think it's really cool that she made this by hand, and I will always treasure it. I really do think it was the first piece of an idea of a future magical library that I had. When she gave me this picture, it just made me feel like I needed a place to put this. So I will always treasure it. In high school, my friend Kendra gave me this beautiful little starry candle holder, and I absolutely fell in love. I've always been a little bit wary of fire. They burn witches sometimes. I don't love that. But I still love candles, and especially scented candles, because you can enjoy them without the fire. And this one has a nice little berry scent, and it's just a really lovely little treasure that I've always enjoyed. I always knew that I would put this in my magical library, and it fits perfectly. Now there's honestly about a million things in this room for my mom, but I have to highlight a few of my favorites. Now, she gave me several old handmade baskets. I think that they've been in my family for a long time, and they're just so beautiful. They're made out of natural wood. This one is covered in bark, and this one is woven, and I appreciate them so much. I have used them to collect some knickknacks and things from outdoors when I go treasure hunting and walking, and I just love the way they look, and just they're a piece of nature I can have inside, so I always appreciate that. And she's also provided me with a load of books. Most of the books in this room are from her, and some of them are really amazing vintage treasures, and it's just so cool to have things like this that I can just enjoy and display and read through. I mean, what's a magical library without books? So I will always love these. This gorgeous Dia de los Muertos cup is from my friend Taylor, and it's actually one of many witchy and Halloween related things that came from her. She is probably the most amazing gift giver I will ever meet in my life. I always felt like I could never measure up. But I am just so grateful to have all the amazing things that she's gifted to me. And it's just beautiful. I use it as part of my Samhain practice when I venerate my ancestors. I usually celebrate on November 1st so that I can have Halloween be, the costume fun day, and November 1st be my Samhain / Dia de los Muertos day, where I take it a little bit more seriously. But I really, really love this cup. It's so beautiful. And it's a piece that I really value. Now, I don't quite remember if I got this before I started making my magical library a reality or not, but my friend Megan gave this to me somewhere around the beginning of this, so I think this is the first new gift I added to my magical library at the very least. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. I'm gonna have to get some video of it in the light because it is just a stunning glass little pumpkin with the curly little bit. It is just everything that is magic and nature to me, and it reminds me of my own little pumpkins that I've grown most years when they surprise me and pop up in my garden. I've actually grown some that are even this size and look a little bit like this, so it's so special to me. Another early favorite addition to my magical library is this globe. It was a joint gift by my friends Milena and Susanna. It's got gold on it and all the metal pieces, and it's a nice dark globe, which I think adds a certain distinctive touch to the whole thing. And I don't know, I just feel like there's something so beautiful about the globe. I mean, maybe it's just my love for Mother Earth, but I have always wanted a really nice globe like this, and I was over the moon when they gifted it to me. More recently, my friend Josh gave me this. It's super sassy. Don't make me use my wand. I think it is so funny, and I like it. I like it. It's for my sassier days, I think it fits perfectly with my whole aesthetic. So I was really, really highly amused when he gave it to me. My friend Milena also gifted me this Himalayan salt lamp. I keep it in the box most of the time right now to protect it, but I will take it out and show you. I've always wanted one, and I really, really love it so much. It's got just really great energy. And I'm currently still looking for a piece of furniture that I can put in this room so that I can properly display it, because I want it to be in a special place. I think it is gorgeous. And just this year, my friend Jordan gave me this gorgeous little display moon. I have been dying to have something like this for ages, so I was so excited. And best of all, it lights up. And I can't forget my dad's gift to me. He's no longer with us, but while he was here, he helped me paint my ceiling, my sky ceiling. And it is just such a wonderful gift to be able to look up into the stars and know that he was there with me to help me do this. I'm just so lucky to have all these wonderful people in my life and to have a room that is just full of so much love, so many wonderful and amazing things from the people I've met, the people in my family, my close friends. It's just incredible. I just really love all of these amazing gifts, and I can't even express how much I appreciate them. It's been wonderful. So, have you ever gotten a witchy or Halloween gift that you loved? And which of these were your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed watching this, I would really love it if you'd add a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more witchy videos like this one. I do a lot of videos about thrifting and sewing and crafting, all with a witchy spin, throughout the rest of the month and, you know, the whole rest of the year too. And I will be back soon, so stay tuned. And remember, my celestial friends, save whatever amazing and enchanting gifts you receive, be kind to yourself and to the universe, and try to add a little bit of magic wherever possible to your corner of the world. Bye. Now there's, oh my gosh, I can't do this right. And, oh no.